Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version. And to do this, you need to use XIAOMI Earbuds application. Open it, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. Now you need to scroll down, and right here we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so click on it. And as you can see, I have the information that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just update it. Now, if it didn't help you or you haven't a new software version, the next step is to go to additional settings right here at the main menu. We need to go to additional settings, and right here we have in-ear detection. So if the slider have colorful background, it means that its mode is turned on, and if it's turned on, when you remove your earbuds from your ears, it will automatically pause the music, and when you return your earbuds to your ears, it will automatically play the music. So you can disable this mode, and maybe it can fix your problem. If it also didn't help you, the next step is to reopen your audio player application. So let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or your okay, I haven't Apple Music here. Yeah, okay, I have. Now you need to remove it from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommended to check if you have the last version for this application. So go to the App Store or Google Play and check it. If it also didn't help you, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. At the bottom we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until this LED light flashed red 3 times. Firstly, it entered operating mode, so it's blinking white. It's okay, just keep holding it. And okay, if you don't want to enter prank mode, you don't want to... Oh, now we have it. Excellent. So 3 times it blinked red, and then you can release your finger. Now we should remove this earbud from the phone and then add it. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, after that click Pair New Device at the top, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button. We just tap on it at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!